Understanding the importance of water quality on the overall operation of a system can extend the life of a metalworking fluid and minimize the need for intervention over the life of the fluid. There are a number of tests that can be run to determine the quality of the water that will be used to fill and refill your machines. We'll discuss 3 commonly tested properties: pH, hardness, and chlorides. Let's start with pH. pH is a test that measures the acidity or alkalinity of a fluid. Generally, a reading around 7 is considered to be neutral. Any variation below or above that level can impact the overall pH of the final fluid. Water should be consistently around 7. pH can be tested tankside using color-changing test strips. If available, a portable pH meter can provide a more precise reading. Next, we move on to hardness. Hardness is a measurement of the amount of calcium and magnesium in a metalworking system. An indication of the hardness can quickly be tested tankside by utilizing test strips. Tap water is generally acceptable for initial fill. However, for makeup additions due to evaporation, DI or RO water should be considered to extend the life of the system. As water evaporates, existing minerals continue to build in the system at a rapid rate. They will not be removed until a dump of the system occurs. When water hardness gets too high, other potential issues can arise. Coolant emulsions become unstable, and insoluble hard water soaps appear as residues. When water hardness is very low, it is common to see foam in systems. Finally, chlorides are a dissolved salt commonly found in tap water. Its level can be estimated with color-changing test strips. However, the more accurate reading will come from a lab titration. The presence of chlorides pose a unique problem when levels rise quickly due to evaporation. Chlorides can accelerate corrosion in and around machine areas. Pooling of fluids that are high in chlorides will quickly begin to attack metal surfaces. Because these minerals cannot be removed from these solutions, the only way to overcome high levels of chlorides is to dump a system and recharge with a fresh mixture. Water quality can vary significantly, depending on a variety of factors. Ensuring that you understand the importance of its effect on the performance of a metalworking system will allow you to make the informed decisions that are best for your operational needs. For more information on this and any other topics, please visit our website at castrol.com or reach out to your local Castrol representative.